Pranam, this is day 2 challenge and today's intent is let's shine like a sun. Let's begin now. So let's start with a gradual practice and then gradually make it intense one. So first, simply come to the cat and cow posture, flatten your feet, activate your fingers. Inhale, central spine down or your back down and lift your chin up. Exhale, opposite. Inhale, unlock your entire spine and allow your body to get ready for the day 2 challenge, a weight loss challenge. Inhale and exhale all the negativity, exertion, everything outside. Inhale, deep breath inside. Now come to the center. Now simply shift your body weight towards your arms and try to take the pressure towards your hands. Now hand should be here on the same spot. Inhale forward. Exhale back. Allow your wrist to get ready for the intense practice of day 2. Exhale back. Inhale forward. Exhale back. Maximum forward as much as possible for you. Exhale back. Inhale forward. Exhale back. Now inhale forward. Stay here. Take the deep breath inside and feel the stretching around your wrist area. Engage your core. Try to take the deep breathing and your breath should be deep and intense. And back. Now move your hands gently a little forward and simply come to the Kumbhakasana. So first, straight your right leg simply and stay here. Stay here for 5 breaths and align your shoulder and the wrist in the one line. Take the deep breath inside and the outside. And with the inhalation, shift your body a little forward. Exhale a little back, a light movement and activate your core. Inhale forward. Exhale back. Inhale, shift your body forward. Feel the pressure around your arms, your core. Exhale back. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, the equal weight on the both sides of your body. Stay here. Feel the pressure around your arms. Exhale back. Center, drop your right knee down and straight your left leg from the back. Hands should be completely aligned. Inhale, push your body forward. Exhale back. Inhale, try to do the proper engagement of your arms and try to find out the proper surface with your palms. Inhale forward. Exhale back. Inhale and exhale. 3 more times. Inhale, push your body forward. Exhale, completely back. 2 more times. Inhale and exhale. Now gently straight your right leg knee also and come to the Kumbhakasana. Now shift your body weight forward. Exhale back. Inhale forward. Exhale back. Drop your knees down once. Again, second round. Lift your knees up. Engage your core. Push your body forward. Exhale back. Inhale forward. Exhale center and drop your knees down. Now come to the again Kumbhakasana. Move your right leg between your both palms and simply stay here and Shift your body towards the front side of the feet and shine like a sun. Stay here, deep breathing. Now move your right arm over your hand and do the proper rotation and fix your hand to the same spot. Repeat with the other side. Rotation of your left arm, same spot. Keep doing this. Inhale, twisting of your body. Hand by the side of your right feet. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, rotation. Exhale. Feel your body and back. Inhale, proper rotation and center. Drop the back leg knee down and shift your body towards your left leg and come to the half split. Close your eyes and feel the stretching till hip to ankle. Now, if it's possible for you, then try to stretch your toes inside. Press your chest inside. If it's being difficult for you, then you can simply stay here a little at center. No need to straight your knee while. Meanwhile, now stay here, deep breathing. Now with the exhalation, try to move your body down. Inhale and come up. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Move your body forward. Bring your arms up. Flatten your back leg feet. Now exhale, hands by the side of your both thighs. Inhale forward, that time single arm up. Exhale, switch your hand, move your left arm up over your head. Hands by the side. Exhale, press your body back. Inhale forward, bring your both arms up. That time, try to twist your body and look back. Deep breath inside and do the proper twisting of your core region. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, hands by the side of your feet. Exhale, press your body back. Now, center and move the same leg back and come to the plank pose or Kumbhakasana. Shift your body towards your arms. Exhale, drop your knee down and shift your body back. Come to the Kumbhakasana. Shift your body forward. Drop your knees. Push your body back. Now inhale. Engage your core. That time 2 breaths. Drop your knees down. Push your body back. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. Come on, shift your body towards your arms. And exhale. Now your left leg between your both hands. Straight your back leg knee. Hold and shift your body towards your arms. Keep running and try to press your pelvis down. 3 deep breaths in and outside and try to do the proper extension of your right leg knee. Try to feel the stretching around your hips, core engagement, activate your palms and your arms. Breathing will help you to detoxify the body and help you to shine like a sun. Drop the back leg knee down and do the proper rotation of your left arm. Rotate completely and hand by the side of your. Do the same rotation with the right hand. Rotate your arm and hand to the same spot. Left arm, inhale and exhale. If you want to make it intense, then you can do the same rotation after lifting your knee up. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, rotate and exhale to the same spot. Drop your knee down and come to the half split position. Flatten your right leg feet and press your body back as much as possible for you. No need to straight your knee as if you're not feeling comfortable. So exhale and back. Stay here. If you're feeling comfortable, then try to stretch your toes inside. Inhale forward. Exhale back. That time bring your both arms up. Inhale up. Exhale. Move your body back. That time lift your left arm up. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, your right arm up and exhale. Inhale, bring your both arms up and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Always use the cushion mat so that you're feeling comfortable around your knees while you're doing this flow. Last and final, bring your arms up. Let your body shine like a sun. Exhale down. Now gently shift your left leg back and move and open your arms a little bit. Move your body towards your hands. Exhale, touch your chin, then your body. Inhale up to the cobra. Exhale back. Inhale, push your body forward. First touch your chin, then your body. Inhale up to the cobra. Exhale back. Inhale. Exhale, first chin, body, cobra, and go back. If it's being difficult for you, then let me tell you the variation. Inhale, move your body forward. Exhale back. You can do this variation. Inhale forward. Exhale, first chin, then your body. Inhale up to the cobra. Exhale and back. Come on, come on. Inhale forward. Exhale. Now, simply move your arms by the side of your body. Now, with the inhalation, lift your legs and the upper body up. Let your body stretch. Exhale down. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Hands here. Come to the cobra. And take knee support and simply come to the downward facing dog. Your knee should be bent. Press your body maximum back towards your thighs and try to unlock your shoulders. Stay here for a while. Breathe, look towards your navel and keep stretching your belly walls inside. Now try to extend your knees and then bend them. Inhale, extend your knees, press your heels down and bend them. Make your head maximum close to the mat as much as possible for you. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Decrease a little distance. Inhale and exhale. Drop your knees down. Now move your body back and simply bring your arms over your head. Exhale, twist your body, look back. You can look a little sweating over my face. This simple super flow is easy to do. If you take the little efforts, you can do it. Bring your arms up. Exhale and twist. Practice this flow at least for 15 days and do the same sets of entire flow thrice. That means you have to repeat the same flow 3 more times, or you can do according to your capacity of your body. Now let's find the second day. Cross your legs, your right hand over your chest, then your left hand. 3 times the Om chanting. Relax your mind, relax your muscles and your body. And pray with the sun that give energy, positivity and blessings. Inhale. With a positive mindset, with a broad smile, with a light heart, open your eyes and keep gazing down to the Land Mother. Always take rest after each challenge or after each day, because may you feel tired entire day if you won't take break. So this is really very important, that always rest at the Shavasana at the end of the session. Now, after this video, you could have a look over this video. And if you give the lots of love to this video, then I keep coming with the new challenges. And if you want a video on some new topics, then comment down. I would love to make a videos on those topics. Keep performing yoga, keep doing yoga and have a sigh of relief.